Tired of production bottlenecks in your print finishing line? Cutting corners shouldn't slow you down. Meet the industrial double head round corner cutter from Kylin machinery. Engineered for high-volume bindery. It trims 2 corners simultaneously, instantly doubling your production speed. Powered by a heavy-duty, sealed hydraulic drive. This machine effortlessly cuts through stacks up to 80 millimeters thick. Whether you are cutting paper, rigid board, or PVC. You get a clean burr-free finish on every single cycle. Flexibility is built in. Swap between our 3 to our 12 dies in minutes with 0 recalibration required. It is the ultimate finishing solution for hardcover books, premium notebooks, and high-end packaging. Upgrade your post-press efficiency with equipment you can trust. Contact Kylin Machinery today via WhatsApp. Or visit our website to request a quote. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more industrial packaging solutions.